Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02335 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#scott in SQL Plus Editor. Make sure that you have enough permissions to execute the SQL queries. Now I am going to create one cluster column. So now I am going to create one cluster column called employee number underscore cluster. So mistakenly I have typed the column data type as blob. So you can see ORA-02335 invalid data type for cluster column error is thrown. So cluster column does not support column like large objects, that is LOB, VARRAY objects. So I have modified the valid column data type. So I modify the employee number to the valid column data type, and you can see cluster is created successfully. This is the fix for ORA-02335.